Hi, in front of me I have GARMIN Venu 2S and I'm gonna show you how to connect this device to the Wi-Fi network. To connect this watch to the Wi-Fi network, your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the Garmin Connect app. Once the devices are paired, open the Garmin Connect app on your phone, select your Venu 2S right here by tapping on the icon, and you should be on the device page for your Venu 2S. Now scroll down, tap on General, and here we have Wi-Fi networks. The reason to connect your watch to Wi-Fi network is it will enable you to download the music, for example, from some services like Spotify, I believe, and stuff like that. Also, it will allow you for faster software updates if you connect to Wi-Fi. Now, let's tap on Wi-Fi networks. As you can see, we have no networks listed, but we can tap on Add Network. As you can see, watch is searching for Wi-Fi networks, found some. Select the network you want to connect to, for example, this one. And now we need to enter the password, so give me a couple of seconds. And once you're done entering the password, tap on Done. Tap on Connect. The watch is connected to the network. As you can see, connect successful, connected successfully. Tap on OK, and here we have saved networks now. We have GSM center, as you can see, the network we connected to. And you can connect up to 7 networks at the same time, as you can see right here. Now, we can also open the menu by pressing and holding the lower button on our watch. In the menu, we can scroll down, tap on Settings icon. Here, scroll down, find the option called Connectivity, tap on it, and select Wi-Fi. And here we have My Networks, and we can tap on it, and as you can see, we have list of networks. We can tap on this network right here, and tap on Remove to disconnect from it. You can also disconnect through the app by tapping on the network right here on this list, and tapping on Forget Network, and tapping Forget, like this. And now when you go to networks, the Wi-Fi will be gone, and from here too. And that's how you connect this watch to the Wi-Fi network. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.